What's up YouTube? It's your girl LipsNlashes here with another video. I missed you guys. It's been forever since I posted a last video. I just been working, got a new job at Ulta Beauty. So it's been really going good. I like it so far. I'm loving everything that's been going on there. I really missed you guys. I wanted to come with another tutorial. A little fall, welcome to November look. Featuring this Rimmel London palette. I got a little while back, and these beautiful infallible paints lipsticks by L'Oreal. I just love them. I have the whole infallible collection on pretty much. But if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay ladies, let's get started. I'm taking this BH Cosmetic contour palette. I'm taking that medium brown color and I'm blending that directly into my crease. You want to blend this up and into your brow bone just a little bit. Now I'm taking my Magnificent Eyes Color Edition from Rimmel London and taking that medium purple shade and putting it in my outer V. I'm blending this into the other brown shade just so it can look nice and seamless and blend. You want to make sure you take your time with this part and really make sure you have no harsh lines anywhere, and you just want to keep blending. I'm taking a more precise blending brush. Now I'm going to take this dark purple shade and put it in my bottom lash line, continuing to blend that out. I'm putting it in my outer V as well, just to make sure everything is nice and cohesive. Now I'm taking this Urban Decay eyeshadow in the color Midnight Blast, and I'm putting this on my lid. This is a real simple eye look. Just want to keep going until you like the color payoff. I'm just continuing to blend a little more of that medium purple into the crease, just making sure all the colors are nice and blended. Now I'm going to take that pretty rose gold color and put it into my inner corner, just to make sure everything looks nice and cohesive. I'm also putting it in my brow bone and blending it out with a smaller tapered blending brush. Now I'm going to take my Kiss black eyeliner and putting that into my waterline and a little bit on my lash line, just to make sure my lashes look nice and blended. I'm taking this Broadway liquid liner and I'm creating a wing. Nothing too dramatic, just to define the eyes so the lashes can look nice and blended with the real lashes. I'm focusing right here, you guys. Hope you guys having a good November. I completed my lashes off camera. Now I'm going to take my Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the color Caramel Beige. A little heart for you guys, because I love you guys. And I'm taking a flat blending brush and just smoothing that over my entire skin. I primed off camera using the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I'm just making sure this is really blended in. You want to make sure you focus your foundation more so around your mouth area. I'm also taking my Infallible Pro Glow Concealer in the color Natural Beige. And I'm using this to highlight my cheek area, the middle of my forehead. You know the drill, guys. I'm also taking my Wet n Wild contour stick in the color Where's Walnut, and I'm contouring my nose underneath my lip. And you want to take that contour and put it above your cheekbone area to really lift the face. I'm taking an angle brush to blend that out. This one is by Wet n Wild. Now I'm going to take my Equate blending sponge and just blending out underneath where I put that highlight. Taking my time on this part. You want to really make sure that highlight is really blended into the skin very well. I'm blending it over where I put the nose contour just so it can look nice and seamless. Now I'm going to take my Milani translucent banana powder. I'm putting some in the cap and putting it on my sponge. And I'm just going to set where I highlighted these areas. I don't really like to set my whole entire face because it looks a little cakey. But if you don't have that problem, I would suggest setting your entire face. I just set it underneath my cheekbone area as well. I'm going to take that same angle brush and another color from my contour palette and just blending in where I put the cream contour. I'm going to take a powder brush and just dust away that excess powder. Now I'm going to take this hard candy blush in the color Girl Next Door. It has a little highlight to it, as you can see, so I'm not going to highlight today. Now I'm going to take my infallible paints. First I'm lining my lips with the LA Colors eyeliner pencil in brown, and now I'm going to put the infallible paints on. That color is so pretty. This is the color 332 and Galactic Foil. That's the completed look, you guys. Hope you love it. Bye.